All right, so looks like we're live. Can I just get a quick sound check and then we'll get going? Hi, Isaac. Hi, Miranda. How you doing? Just need a quick sound check and we'll get going. Okay, thanks, Ian. Ian, you're always the one that gives me the good sound check. All right, one second. All right, so pulling up the picture-in-picture. I heard some feedback from some of you guys, so I made the picture-in-picture a little bit smaller, so that way, because I know you guys were talking about not being able to see the ticker symbol here in the corner, so I made it a little bit smaller. I wanted to keep it in the upper hand, left-hand corner, though. But anyways, yeah, let's get into it. So Microsoft, up nicely after hours, about $5, $5, $6 from the close. Google kind of choppy, was flattish, now fading a little bit. Visa, a little bit of a pop, pulled back to the flat line. Robinhood getting hit, Texas Instruments getting hit. AMD getting a little bit of a pop, but kind of muted here. I'm not even sure if their earnings are out. I don't have any of these numbers in front of me right now, so I have no idea what the numbers are as far as the earnings. I'm looking at the reactions here. Robinhood, I heard though, disappointed on their crypto trading revenue. But I think that, and by the way, this isn't like a recommendation or anything, but I think that next month they're going to probably crush it on their trading revenue. Let's get rid of this here. And I mean, if you just look at the price of Bitcoin and really the market over the last, couple of weeks, there's a lot of retail FOMO going on, and they probably should kill it next quarter, or at least the guidance should be pretty high. All right, so let's get into the markets here. So basically what we had today is the market's on a bit of a sugar high. And the Fed is, it's a liquidity driven rally right now. We do have some taper talk going on, but the market doesn't seem to care. We have, we had a nice rally here, and there's been a lot of FOMO. And what happens is, that FOMO turns into an opportunity for sellers to come in. So remember this trend line that I had on the chart for a long time, and we broke through that, and I said, hey, look, we broke this trend line. Now that's, obviously a negative. Now look at where we stalled out. Now this is so cool here. So check this out. Not only do we stall at that trend line there, is the video kind of choppy? Sorry. Hold on one second. Let me try and fix the latency for you guys. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I'm going to continue a little bit here, and if it doesn't improve over the next couple of minutes, I'll just restart the stream, because a lot of times this does happen, and I don't know why, but sometimes if you end up restarting the stream, it works okay. But yeah, video in it. Okay, well, let's just try for a few minutes here. So we had this inverse head and shoulders. Remember I talked about that? Well, we hit the target today perfectly. So you have the low here, 426, and then you take it up to 422. Add 22 points to the breakout, or 26 points to the breakout, and you got right up to 456, 458. So we played out to that target perfectly, and we hit this upsloping trend line that we broke down from. So really cool symmetry here on the charts here on the S&P 500. And speaking of the sugar high, so look at Tesla. I mean, this was just FOMO to a T. We had a nice breakout here for a stock like the size of Tesla, though 13% in one day, especially after a near 50% run over the last 6 months. I mean, this was FOMO all day long, and institutional sellers stepped in and took this thing right down. Look at the intraday here. How much retail buyers were just pushing this higher, and they got faded really hard. That's not to say that Tesla, can't go higher at some point, but that is a big, major reversal there. And you guys in the Patreon know that, we added to QID today, which is 2 times short the NASDAQ.